to all of you. My name is Navjot and I am from 11th standard. Today I am here to deliver a speech on the biggest issue, that is COVID-19 or coronavirus. An outbreak of coronavirus is known as COVID-19 in China is causing global concern. It spread from a seafood and meat market in China in December. It has since spread to other countries including United States. What is COVID-19 or coronavirus? And coronavirus is a virus that is found in animals and can be transmitted from animals to human and then spread person to person. Another coronavirus for human are Middle East respiratory syndrome and Actual respiratory syndrome. What are symptoms of a COVID-19 or a coronavirus? And COVID-19 symptoms range from mild to a severe. It takes 1 to 14 days to expose its symptoms. Its symptoms may be included fever, coldness, cough, muscle pain, new taste, etc. So as it is confirmed that most cases are in adults and some children are also has been affected. There is no evidence that the children are a greater risk for getting a COVID-19. What are the causes of COVID-19 or a coronavirus? Human first contact with animal which have a COVID-19 and then contact with person to person. Human officials also did not know from which animals did a coronavirus has been spread. COVID-19 can be caused by a body fluid of cough, sneezing, etc. or it can be caused by when infected person touch to your eyes, nose, mouth, etc. If you believe that you have a COVID-19, you should go immediately to the doctor for a checkup and call to your concern. How did it affect the economy of India? COVID-19 has a destructive factor in the economy of India. After the quarterly of a 2020 year, India's national income has been down by 3.1% and unemployment in India increased by 6.7 to 26%. What are the preventions of a COVID-19 or a coronavirus? Practice social distancing, avoid to go to a large meetings. You wear a mask when you go to a market or any other. Have soap and water, wash your hand for 20 seconds. If you do not have a soap and water, use alcohol sanitizer for washing hand for 60 seconds. Avoid touching to your nose, ear, eyes, etc. And thank you and have a nice